Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Aida256UG. In this video I'm going to share with you how you can manage your job as a housemaid. Since there are many people out there hunting for their jobs, this brings about scarcity of jobs. Some of our sisters opt for the housemaid job, which is not an easy job, with an aim of improving their lives. While doing their work as housemaids, some face a lot of challenges, which forces some to fail to deliver their services as a housemaid. So in this video, I'm going to share with you tips on how you can manage a housemaid job and make your work enjoyable. If you want to enjoy your job, you have to be respectful. Respect the individuals you found at home, especially you respect your boss and everyone that you meet in the house. You have to respect the rules of your madam and their privacies. If your madam tells you to do something, make sure you do it and respect her and her privacies. Don't just go into her things, personal belongings. If you want to enjoy your job as a housemaid, respect the privacies of the people you found in that home. Do not respect only your madam, but also respect other people you found there, be it a young children. Don't give respect according to age. Respect everyone in that very house. In this case, you have to give way to your madam to decide how things should be done in that house. We believe that since you and your madam are both adults, so you may decide to do something on your own will, yet it's against the will of your madam. If you want to manage your housemaid work, respect the rules of your madam. Follow what he or she wants you to do. Don't do things according to your own way to avoid crashing and conflicts. Because if you do things that your madam has not told you, it will result into conflicting with each other. So to avoid conflicts, do what your madam always tell you to do. You can stick to your madam's idea. Make sure you always do things. Make sure you stick to the ideas of your madam, not your own ideas. So that's your work, so that you can manage your work as a housemaid. Number 3, be a royal person. By being royal, you can show constant support to your madam. Make sure you support your madam and the entire house. And also, make sure you understand your duty. You can be royal by understanding your duties and protecting your madam's interest in whatever you do. If you protect your madam's interest and understanding your duties, this will avoid you from getting scoldings from your madam. So make sure you understand your duties as a housemaid. Instead of scolding you instantly or shouting at you at that very moment, your madam will take you in private and settle things with you in case of any misunderstanding. So make sure you are real to her so that you earn respect from your madam. The madam will fear take advantage of your personal information, for example, the passport. She may also not take away your phone because she might fear taking it away and lose you. For example, if you're a royal person, everybody likes a royal person. So make sure you're a royal while doing your duties. If you're royal to your madam, she might talk with you in person when she wants to terminate or quit the contract. So if you're not royal, she will just catch you by surprise and terminate your contract. So make sure you are royal so that your madam can tell you everything about your contract when she faced that time of wanting to terminate your contract. So be royal to your madam so that you know about her plans regarding your contract. When you're royal to your madam, she will be committed to your contract. Number 4, be flexible. You can be flexible by having the ability to quickly adapt to new changes in the house. For example, if there is a new change in the house, make sure you adapt to them. In this case, a madam might give birth to a new baby. This baby was not there when you've just come. So make sure you adapt to the changes of the house. You also have to adjust very fast when things changes in the house. For example, the house might receive visitors or guests. Make sure you take care of them. If you want to enjoy your job as a housemaid, make sure you don't complain all the time. By being flexible, make sure you don't go about laminating and complaining almost to everything. So if you face any challenges, don't always complain, because when you complain a lot, your boss will get tired of you and then terminate you. So to enjoy your job, so if you want to manage your job as a housemaid, make sure you ignore some things. Don't complain almost about everything. If you want to enjoy your job as a housemaid, be empathetic. For example, you can choose to put yourself in your madam's shoes. Put yourself in your madam's shoes. Ask yourself, if I were this madam of yours, if I were the madam, what would I like my maid to do? So I do exactly what your answers gives you. This will ease your job as a housemaid. So be responsible. If you want to manage your job as a housemaid, you have to be responsible. You can be responsible by justifying your salary. For example, take ownership of your work by doing your work as required by your madam. Do your work as required by your madam. To be responsible means you don't have to wait to your madam to get back to do something you know very well it has to be done. For example, if you have to cook in that house, clean, looking after the children, folding the clothes, make sure you do these things before your madam tells you to do so. So be responsible so that you don't fail your work as a housemaid. And number 7, be a hardworking person. And since a lot of physical activities is involved with housekeeping, make sure you don't make room for the laziness or tiredness. Be a hardworking person, and your boss will appreciate you for this, because every person likes a hardworking person. Your boss will appreciate you, and again, this will ease your work as a housemaid. Number 8, be organized. If you want to manage your work as a housemaid, you have to be organized. You can do this by arranging things in an orderly manner. Wash your madam's clothes, and for the kids, wash them, fold them, clean them very well, and then iron them. Keep their house clean and very neat so that they can feel comfortable and relaxed to be in that house. And number 10, communication. Make sure you have a good communication with your boss if you want to enjoy your job as a housemaid. In order to do your work effectively, make sure you have a very good communication with you and your madam. For example, wash, fold, iron their clothes, sheets, towels, children's clothes, and handle them carefully to avoid spoiling them. In this way, you can buy favors from your madam. Number 11, be honest. When you make mistakes like breaking a glass, a plate while washing, admit your errors, explain the situation to your madam, and then make sure it won't happen again. So be honest while doing your work so that you make your work at ease and smooth. Number 12, be a good listener. If you want to enjoy your job as a housemaid, in this case, you have to listen to the orders of your madam and fulfill them. In something you haven't understood, know when to ask questions. Listen to what your madam is telling you and respond positively in a polite way so that it eases your work as a housemaid. Do your cleaning work very well. If you want to enjoy your job as a housemaid, do your work or clean your work very well. If you have a bathtub in your house, scrub and clean it very well. Make beds for the madam and the children. Make meals ready. You can cook for them. You can iron, wash, fold clothes for your madam neatly. This will help you work productively in a short time. So make sure you do your cleaning work very well. Keep every part of the room clean and shining so that you simplify your work as a housemaid. After doing your cleaning duties, make sure you keep the cleaning items. These cleaning tools may include your mop, your bucket, vacuum cleaners. After using them, make sure you clean them very well. Number 15, be caring. Be a careful person while handling things. Handle them like as if they were yours. To avoid breaking or losing their values, handle them very well as if they were yours. Don't assume that your boss has enough money to repair and replace everything. You might destroy through your carelessness, so handle things with great care so that you don't get into trouble with your boss. Your work as a housemaid and make you enjoy your job. Number 16, have self-control. Since this housemaid job is a little bit challenging and a difficult job to do, you might face conflicts while doing your job. Make sure you have self-control. In that, keep your emotion, anger under control. Avoid aggressive behaviors even in the toughest times of your life. Make sure you avoid being aggressive to your madam. Always show a smile on your face to your madam so that she might not think that you're not happy with the job you're doing. So to ease your job as a housemaid, control your emotions, give a smile to your madam. Don't work with a gloomy face. If you face challenges, anything you face, put on a smile to cover your sadness inside so that your madam may not take it that you don't like to work for her. This will help you to manage your job as a housemaid. Above are some of the important tips you can do or practice as a housemaid to manage your job. If you have liked the information I've shared with you in this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Ida256UG. You can give it a thumb up, like, comment down below in the comment section. Ask anything you'd like us to address or talk about. You can share with your friends. You can share your friends so that they can get also this information if you see it as helpful. Thank you for listening to me, and